What are you doing in there? You know you're not supposed to be in there. Do what I want. I'm Big Tim Walker and I do what I want. Yep, I do what I want. Breakfast today, well, yesterday, because I filmed that yesterday, but yeah, you know what I mean. Franks and beans, actually, they're sausages. They're new. Tried something different because they were only $5.99. They each got a little bit of it in their dish as well. And somebody ate one of them, but I don't know who.